Take a slow breath in and release it gently. Allow your body to become still. Allow your thoughts to settle. Today, I honor the power of my word. I speak with intention. I promise with care. I do not offer words I am unwilling to carry. My actions support what I say. My honesty creates safety. My consistency creates trust. I accept responsibility when I fall short. I correct what I can. I apologize without excuses. And I learn before I promise again. I release empty words. I release careless commitments. I release the need to say yes when my truth is no. I am allowed to be honest about my limits. Clear truth is more loyal than false reassurance. I become someone others can depend on. I become someone I can depend on. Take another slow breath in and breathe out everything you no longer mean. My word has value, my actions have integrity. I keep the promises I make with intention. Loyalty lives in what I follow through on.